So you probably have a TikTok account you created here in Nigeria, and you've been posting videos of yourself or maybe your business for your family and your friends. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've been wasting your time all this while, and not just wasting your time, you've also been wasting your data. And I'm also guilty of this. There's a TikTok account I created here in Nigeria, and I've been uploading content. In fact, I have around close to 1,000 followers and more than 1,000 likes on that page. And if I had followed this route I'm about to show you today, I would have been getting close to monetizing my TikTok account. So the truth is that if you're based in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa, you are not eligible for TikTok monetization. But what I'm about to share with you in this video is how you can monetize your TikTok account even while living here in Nigeria. And you don't even have to call anybody or ask anybody who is based abroad to help you create a TikTok account. And one thing you must know is that these monetizable accounts are usually very difficult to grow. Like when I started posting on my Nigerian account, the first video I ever posted on my Nigerian account, I got views straight up. Like I got people viewing. But I discovered that this monetized account, like the monetized account or the monetizable account, whichever one, it's difficult to get views. It's difficult to grow on these accounts. But I learned a secret which helped me to start growing my account, to start getting views. You can see my new page, or my new account rather. I was stuck on 0 views. There was nobody viewing, and the views is one of the monetization eligibility, and that is why it's difficult for you to grow on these accounts, these foreign accounts. But if it is that your usual Nigerian account, you will discover that the first video I ever posted on TikTok, like I just signed up on TikTok, and the first video I ever posted, I got views. But for this monetized account, it will be difficult for you to get views. So when I discovered that people were not viewing my content, I was posting, people were not viewing, I had to go make this research, and I learned something on how you can start getting people to view your content. And as you can see from the next video I posted after I made my research, I had 590 views. I think it's around 1,000 views you need to get for it to be monetized. And I got the first video I posted after the research I did, I got 590 views, which is around half of the eligibility criteria, that is 1,000 views. So if you want to know these secrets, which I'm going to share at the end of the video, make sure you watch the video to the end so that you don't miss every detail in this video. Now, if you're just seeing this face for the first time, if you're meeting me for the first time, or you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, guys. Stick around with me. On this space, I talk about remote work opportunities and digital skills acquisition. I give you tips and tricks on how you can earn money from the comfort of your homes, how you can find remote jobs, everything you need to know about remote work. And basically, that's just it, remote work, nothing more. So if this sounds like what you really love, like something you've been looking out for, something you want to start doing, or something you've been doing before, if it sounds like your interest, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on most of the tips, on most of the juicy contents I share on this space. So let's get straight into the video. So how do you monetize your TikTok account even while you are based here in Nigeria? So you know what some people do, or what most people do, is that they call a friend or a family who is based abroad and they tell them, please help me open a TikTok account over there and give me the login details. Guys, I don't know why I'm breathing so hard, but please bear with me. Let me catch my breath a little. So what they do is that they call their family and friends and ask them to open a TikTok account for them in abroad there and send them the login details. But with this step, you don't need to bother anybody. You don't need to call anybody. You're going to do it yourself. All you need to do, the first step you need to take is to download a VPN. So the VPN I downloaded was the Thunder VPN. The Thunder VPN is very easy to use. It doesn't require any sign up or whatever, but it doesn't have a free version. It has the pro version, and for you to choose any country of your choice, you would need to upgrade it. Now, for you to upgrade it, they are giving 7 days free, meaning within 7 days you can use the VPN for free. And 7 days is actually too long a time or days for you to create your TikTok account. It doesn't take 5 minutes to create a TikTok account. So what I did was that I had to upgrade it. I subscribed to the pro plan, and then that moment I created my TikTok account and I dismissed the app, like I deleted the app from my phone and I canceled the subscription. So all you need to do is to download the app, subscribe, and then with the free version, or rather on the free version, while you're still within that 7 days, you can just go to your web browser. Now you're not creating the app, sorry, you're not creating the account on the app. You go to your web browser and then you search for tiktok.com and you sign up. You sign up with a new email address and a new name. Now, when you're signing up on TikTok, they give you options both for phone and for email address. I'd advise you use your email address because, of course, the country you'd be registering from, you do not have a phone number for that country. So it's okay to use your Gmail account, that's your Gmail address, for the sign up. And then when you are done, you can now delete the VPN and come back to the app, and then you can sign in, because while signing up you would have gotten your password and username. Then you just come to the app and sign in. The moment you sign in, you will see the difference in the place of monetization. You will see that the one you created from a foreign country or from a country that is eligible for monetization, you notice that there are other monetization options. But the former one you were using in Nigeria, just like mine, you will see that there are no much monetization options there. To check the eligibility criteria, all you have to do is click on the three hamburger icon at the top right, then click on Creator Tools. You would see all the monetization options here. I think there are about 5. Let's go with Creativity Program Beta. Let's see what's in there. So as you can see, this program rewards you for posting videos that are longer than 1 minute so that you can keep more people on the platform. And here are the program highlights. You can see more rewards, more viewers, and easy to track. So basically these are all the highlights. Then you can see the eligibility criteria. You need to have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Or more. This one go tough. Then when you are eligible, you can now click on apply. Let's check on Creator Marketplace. So on Creator Marketplace, you can also see all the eligibility criteria. 10,000 followers, real followers. You would have posted 3 videos or more in the last 30 days and have 1,000 real video views, from what I told you guys earlier. Then when you meet all these criteria, you can now click on join. You must also make sure you follow their community guidelines. Then you click on join. Now to set up your payment method, follow through the same process, then click on balance. Here you would see your available balance if you've had any, then click on live rewards. Then after that, you're going to see a pop-up for setting up your payment method. And as you can see, you only need PayPal to receive payments. So you need to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping my next video on how to set up a PayPal account here in Nigeria so you can use to cash out your money on TikTok. Now, the funny thing is that if you go to the accounts you created here in Nigeria, like the Nigerian local account, you discover that it's quite different from this. When you click on live rewards, there will be no option to set up payouts, I guess, and you can only earn money from going live and receiving coins. And I guess you just click on rewards if you've had any coins, and sorry, withdraw, rather, not rewards. Click on withdraw if you've had any coins. Then you can now withdraw your money. Perhaps you would put in your account details or so. I really do not have any idea about that, but that's just it about the local accounts, totally different from the foreign accounts. Now, the mistake I made was that, or would I say mistake? Let me not say mistake, because I didn't even know that something like this was on ground. I had created my TikTok account in US. I used the US location. And just 2 to 3 days after I created my account, I started seeing the House of Representatives in the US supporting a bill to ban TikTok. I got scared. I did more research, but what I discovered was that the ban would not necessarily affect the account. It won't necessarily affect the monetization part, as long as you have the app on your phone. For people who are based in the US, who already have the app on their phone, it won't really affect them. They can always access the app and still continue doing what they do. But the only problem is that it won't be available on the App Store in the US, so you can't download it. If you don't already have the app, you won't be able to download it from the US. So let's say you misplaced your phone, or you got a new phone and you're trying to download the TikTok app from the US, it's going to be impossible for you to download the app in the US. But what they can do also is this. You can also do this same process or method. They can use VPN and download the app and also register for another country. So I'm going to advise you, if you're just watching this video like you've never heard of this before and you want to start monetizing your TikTok account, I'm advising you not to use US as a location for now. You can use UK, you can use Germany, you can use Italy, you can use any other country as long as that country is eligible for monetization. But do not use US because there have been news flying around that the US is going to ban TikTok unless they sell ByteDance or yada yada. I don't know what ByteDance really is all about. I've not really done much research about that, but that's up to them. So unless we discover that, okay, there is no ban happening, then you can start downloading or registering for US locations. So guys, that's basically everything you need to know about TikTok monetization. Now, this is what you need to do to start getting people to view your videos on your new account. I mean, the new foreign account that you just created. Like you can see on my page, I was initially stuck on 0 views because I didn't know about this trick. So what you need to do is not to start posting. Don't start posting yet because the algorithm doesn't even know you yet. They don't understand, or the algorithm doesn't understand who you are, what your interests are all about. So what you need to do is to give the algorithm something to get to learn more of you. And what do I mean by that? I mean going to search for other pages in your niche, other accounts in your niche. Click on the search tab. If you are creating your account about beauty, you can search for beauty pages in your niche. So for me, I searched for brand and marketing and also remote work from home because that is what my TikTok account will be all about. And as you can see from the first page I saw on this brand and marketing search, I followed the account. What you need to do is follow these accounts, then like their content. You can as well share and comment on their content. You can do this to as many accounts as possible. I also came to the work from home page and I also liked some work from home content. I shared, I commented, and all of that. This is giving the algorithm an idea on what your interest is. And as you can see from my page now, people started following me. I have 4 followers here. And if you click on it, you notice that the people following me are people who are in my niche. And my video started getting shown to many people from the one I posted, which has 570 something views or 90 something views. So guys, do not rush to post. Take this process first. Another thing I must add, please do not repeat your previous content. Let's say you've posted some videos in your previous old account, your Nigerian account, and you're trying to repeat them on this new account. TikTok will just block you. TikTok will ban you from the app. So do not repeat any content. So if you know you've been using TikTok for some time, like an account you created in Nigeria here, please stop wasting your time, stop wasting your data. Dump that account, chunk that account through the window and open a new account that you can monetize. That is basically what this video is all about. Please guys, the only thing you can do for me, for the help I render on this space, for the love I share on this space in terms of opening you up to opportunities, money making opportunities, the only appreciation I can get from you all is to please follow my TikTok account. My username is FavorBasYouTube, just like my YouTube. Please follow my account, engage with my content, and I promise to follow back. And that will be all for this video. I'll be making more videos as I come across them. I'll be talking about more online money making opportunities. I also made a video on how you can monetize your X account, which is formerly Twitter. You can check that video out here and also know how you can monetize your X. All these social media platforms gives us opportunity to make money. You see these skit makers, all these people who would I say are content creators. They just wake up one morning and they've bought a house or they've bought a nice car, and you'll be wondering, shame are these skits they give this person this money? The platforms are actually paying them. And when you notice what these people do, they post this content across all platforms. You can see a particular skit on Instagram, you go to Facebook, you still see that video, you go to YouTube, you see the video, you go to TikTok, you see the video. They are posting across all platforms, they are leveraging all platforms, and all these platforms are actually paying them big time. So all those videos you post, maybe videos of yourself or your business, where you get people engaging with you, as in funny videos, you see people laughing, commenting, those are actually monetizable contents that you are just missing. Like, there's a lot of money you're just keeping on the table if you are not using a TikTok account of an eligible country, of a country that is eligible for monetization. So after watching this video, I want you all to rush right now and sign up for an eligible TikTok account and start making money. See you all in my next video. Bye.